Welcome to Surefire. This video will give you an overview of the Surefire point of sale solution with a particular focus on field sales functionality. The Surefire Management Console, or SMC, allows you to control all of your data centrally. Changes are pushed to the POS apps immediately, eliminating delays and streamlining change control. When you first log into the SMC, you'll see a range of charts on the dashboard, including average daily sales, top selling items, hourly performance, and a trend analysis. If we look at the menu on the left, you'll see that products are created and maintained in the SMC. Purchasing, inventory, and suppliers are also managed here. Some inventory functions, such as stock inquiries and transfers, can also be conducted in the mobile app. Various other functions, such as the operational hierarchy or product category structure, automatic ordering, locations, devices, operators, and price levels if you're using membership pricing, are all controlled here. Let's take a look at the product files. We're using a roadside assistance example here, so let's list all of the batteries. If we take a closer look at this battery here, you'll see all of the basic product details. That includes things like product images, barcodes, pricing, including supplier cost pricing, which is relevant if you're using the purchase order functionality. To create new products, you can manually add them here, or you can speed up this process by importing a product file. Controlling stock across warehouses and vehicles in the field is naturally critical for this roadside assistance example we're using here. We've defined two types of locations: warehouses and vehicles. This structure is controlled centrally and can be as simple or as granular as you need it to be. Each vehicle driver can then log into the stock or point of sale app under their location code, and various reports can be run by location. Purchasing stock can be managed via the SMC, or alternatively, the Surefire solution can be easily integrated with an external purchasing or finance system. Automatic purchasing based on model stock for product location combinations can be configured, and/or manual purchase orders can be created and receipted against. We'll create a simple manual purchase order in this example. First, let's check the inventory for the product we want to order. You can see we have no stock in the Olympic Park warehouse for this particular Century battery. So we'll go and create an order against our supplier for another case of this battery. Now let's assume we've received this delivery, and we'll go and receipt the stock into our warehouse. Let's check our stock on hand. We now have 12 showing for our warehouse at Olympic Park. Now let's transfer some of that stock to one of our vehicles. We're going to move it from Olympic Park to our B8 vehicle. And if we go and check our stock on hand, you'll see it's now showing the 6 batteries that we've just transferred. There are 2 mobile apps, one for managing stock and the other for making sales. Automated onboarding helps streamline your device management. The first time the apps are deployed to a new device, you simply scan a QR code to complete these login details here for fast, hassle-free access. Once we've logged into the stock app, you'll see that some of the same stock management functions can be performed in the app as in the SMC. The roadside assistance engineer can perform stock transfers and stock takes, and do a simple stock inquiry within the app. Naturally, the functions available here can be configured to reflect your business processes. All changes made in the app update the SMC in real time, and likewise, changes made in the SMC immediately update data in the apps. If we switch to the point of sale app now, processing a transaction is as simple as scanning a barcode or navigating to the product, in this case a battery, and tapping it to add it to the basket. We'll select our payment method and choose the receipting option. Now in this example we chose cash, but if our customer's paying by card, the payment is fully integrated with this transaction, meaning there is one single transaction record consisting of the products and payment, eliminating reconciliation headaches in the back office. In terms of reporting on these transactions, we can quickly view the list in the mobile app, or in the SMC, we can view a list of transactions by date and location, and then view all details for a particular transaction, including products and prices, payment reference, and other details. There are various reports available too. We could report by product category or location, with varying amounts of detail depending on which report you choose. These reports can also be integrated with external business intelligence tools for further insights. So there you have it. Surefire Point of Sale is designed with a modular and robust software architecture that offers speed and simplicity at the front end and enterprise-grade control at the back end. So transform the way your customers transact with Surefire's next generation point of sale.